So today we'll be reacting to some shorts of the cringe maniac spicy, and let's roast this teddy bear. So let's see. Please don't hack me,
into a hot pan.
Gummy bears into a hot pan.
bro. Your mouse is like you're built like a rat from your head to your feet, bro. Did someone tell you this?
Half a cup of water.
Half a cup of fresh milk.
Bro, you're changing your voice on purpose. Stop it.
Faster. Yes, Daddy.
Bro,
Then
hey yo, he's the same person, bro. He like took up a picture of him doing. Let's continue because this guy is a cringe maniac spicy. I swear to God, I hate him.
stir them.
Stirring, stirring, stirring.
Bro, you're cringe.
Pour the liquid
Don't
into
try.
a bowl and use a cake mixer. As you slice down,
As I'm slicing down with a giant knife.
Bro,
the blade can slip off
I hate your cringe sound.
the pit and shoot
You
it.
sound like a mice. You sound like a mice.
Twist the
I don't wanna hear this voice again. What the? Bro, not the racist guy. I hate this racist guy. You're so racist. I hate you. And what is this? L spicy. Spam L spicy in the comments, guys. Yeah. You and Speed McQueen like the most cringy duo. Please, Riss, if you're seeing this, please, I wanna be friends. Please, I wanna roast like you guys. I'm not copying you guys, but I wanna be like you. Please, bro. You're getting your mom in your video for views, for views. Again, it happened again. I swear to God, this is so cringy. I can't. This is so cringe. No. I'm bored. What is this? What is this? You made it more worse. I swear to God, if I see a cringe. I hate you, you cringe boy. What is this? Like a light, this make me laugh. But you're still cringe!
wrap the dry noodles tightly around a pair of chopsticks.
I don't.
Wrapping around the dry noodles.
Don't make a mess!
Who's this? I want to do something. I want to do something. I will be roasting you like Riff. Please, Riff, don't do anything. Fish Remy. Sorry, Fish Remy. I can't write your names. Sorry. My God, I can't stand this anymore.
What? What's
What?
this?
You're cringe.
What is this? Wasabi.
If you do anything cringe, I swear to God, I will roast the hell out of you. You build like a rat from your head to your feet and your hair. Bro, you're like a talkie. Do you know that you eat takis for living? You eat takis for living. And you look like one. Not gonna lie.
No way.
And wear a shirt. Not underwear.
Okay, watch me. No need. What is this? Never mind.
Bro, your sound. This is cringe.
Hold on. Shut
Bro,
up.
you're so cringe. I swear to God.
1
I
second.
can't. Spicy! You're so ugly from your head to your feet, and your body is shaped like a turkey. Can you eat giant pickles? Ooh, giant pickles! Ooh, giant Cheetos! Ooh, 10x Robin! What? I hate this guy.
1 second.
I hate this guy. I swear to God, I
I'm
hate him.
spicy and
What
I
the?
want sugar.
Why? Why did I like the damn video? No. Yo. Bro. You're so cringe, I swear to God.
No eggs? I need more eggs.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You need more Takis.
But that's wrong. 1 second.
No. Do not say with your sound like giant Takis. 1 second. I hate the sound. I hate the sound. I hate the sound. I swear to God, I hate the sound. Ew.
Good.
Ew. Not good. Of course.
What? No. We keep the spicy food. Alright. Just noodle.
What the hell? Bro, of course. I hate.
1%? This is 1%? 10%?
Stop.
Hey, give me some.
Cringe. Ew.
Sweetie, can I have some? Just a bit.
What is this? Oh.
Can I have some? Yeah. Here you go.
Ew. Mm. Bro, you're so cringe. What are you doing? Chill.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Did you say the F word? I swear to God, you're staring at my soul and you're so cringy. I don't know what else to tell.
What the flip? Eating giant food in a Korean convenience store.
Now, like, Spicy, did anyone tell you that you look like a taki and your hair looks like the sauce, a hot sauce? I want to tell you this. I did these, but you're so cringe at least. Ah, what is this? What? No! Giant pickle? Ew!
Wasabi?
It's all over your nose. Ew!
The bomb hot sauce. Blue taki powder.
Ooh, giant pickles.
Cheers.
Ew! I swear to God. Ew! You're so cringy, you. Ew, I don't want to see you again. Bro, I swear to God. What is this? No, you'll eat it. You'll eat it. Eat it. You lazy. What the fuss? A grown man watching Coco Melon. Bro! I had enough.
1%? 10%.
10%.
Oh. 30%.
What is this?
Level 50. I'm dead.
R.I.P. What do I say to you else?
70%.
Bro, this is taller than your stomach. How you can eat it? Of course. How?
Level 100.
This is impossible. If you eat it, if you don't end, if you eat it all, I don't know. So if you enjoyed this video, press the like button and hit subscribe, and see you in the next one. And I will roast the hell out of Spicy, or I could do someone else like Luke does that. I don't know. So if you enjoyed this video, press the like button, hit subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.